Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Prosto Hub, and this is the final session of our current topic, that is recent advances in implant prosthodontics. Hope every one of you have followed till part 4 of this topic. In this session, I shall be discussing the advances in various commercial implant systems. So before getting into detail, I request everyone to please do like and share my videos if you're finding them useful. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and show your support. If you have any queries, suggestions or any topics that need to be discussed, you can mail me at this mail ID or you can comment below the video. So let's start. Under the advances in commercial implant system, I shall be discussing some of the popular implant manufacturing companies, that is the Nobel Biocare, Astra Tech, Straumann and BioHorizons. So the first one to discuss is the Nobel Biocare, which has been the innovator and pioneer of modern implant based industry. So over the years, the company has manufactured several designs, and let us discuss some of the popular designs under Nobel Biocare. The first one, the Nobel Replace Tapered Groovy Implant. As the name says, this consists of unique grooved threads, and these threads helps in faster osseointegration since the bone forms more rapidly into these grooves. And this design also has got a tapered shape, which makes the surgical phase much simpler and predictable, with a 30% increase in primary stability. And this Nobel Replace is especially used in immediate implant placement as well as early loading cases. And another characteristic feature of this design is the trilobar internal connection. So this is present in Nobel Replace, and this helps, or it facilitates, a highly tactile feel for secure and accurate abutment connection. So this is the trilobar internal connection. As you can see, this trilobar internal connection facilitates a highly tactile feel for secure and accurate abutment placement, and this also helps to ensure the labial surface of the implant. The next one is Nobel Speedy, which is a parallel walled implants with slightly tapered design, and it has got a tie-unite surface. So tie-unite is said to be a combination of anodization and etching. This we have already discussed in one of our previous sessions. So the tie-unite surface has got a moderately rough titanium oxide layer with high crystallinity and high phosphorus content, and this is negatively charged. So this tie-unite surface can attract blood proteins and inactive platelets immediately after the implant placement, and thereby it accelerates osseointegration. And as a result, it shortens the treatment time as well as it speeds up the recovery time. And it has also got a sharp tip which make it act as osteotome, and it is perfect for a flapless surgery case, and this also gives higher initial stability. And the Nobel Speedy has got different variants like Nobel Speedy Replace, Nobel Speedy Groovy, Nobel Speedy Shorty, etc. So the features of Nobel Speedy Replace are, it has got narrow tip with sharper chamfers, and it has got an internal abutment connection, slightly tapered design with the tie-unite surface all the way up, and it has got an extremely short drill protocol, and grooves are present on the threads, and it also enhances the primary stability. The Nobel Speedy Groovy is almost similar to Nobel Speedy Replace, and it has got an external abutment connection, and the short implant, that is of 7 mm, also comes under this, that is the Nobel Speedy Shorty. Next one is the Nobel Active implant, which acts like a corkscrew. That is, they do not cut through bone like conventional implants. Instead, they gently press through the bone like a corkscrew. So it has got the bone condensing capacity, which provides improved primary stability. And the neck is also narrow designed, so this preserves marginal bone and also promote long lasting soft tissue stability. And the self-drilling feature of this Nobel Active implants allows it to be inserted into the sites which are prepared to a reduced depth, and these are especially useful in cases where areas are near to vital anatomic structures. So this is about Nobel Active implant. Next one is the Nobel Perfect, which is a unique design for aesthetically demanding areas. So this design has got scalloped soft tissue apposition area. So this has got scalloped soft tissue apposition area, which allows the development of biologic width around the implant neck. And the scalloped prosthetic table follows the three-dimensional soft tissue topography. So thereby it enhances the aesthetics. And this is also available in single piece of titanium, that is called as the Nobel Perfect one piece implant. Coming up next is the Nobel Direct implant, which is a one piece design, user friendly, cost effective, biologically sound and aesthetically stable. So this implant is machined from a single piece of titanium, incorporating both the implant body and an integral fixed abutment. So these were the various designs of the Nobel Biocare Manufacturing Company. The next implant system to discuss is the AstraTech, which is now a part of Dentsply and is one of the major implant system popular worldwide. So many of the research have demonstrated 100% survival rate for all the Astra implants with excellent bone maintenance over long period of time. So let us see the important features of this system. The first one is about the OsseoSpeed surface. So here the implant surface is chemically modified. That is, the surface is sandblasted first and then it is fluoridated by etching in hydrofluoric acid. So as a result, the surface is covered with titanium dioxide, and the presence of titanium dioxide favors the deposition of calcium ions onto the implant, which helps in stimulating bone healing. Also, fluorides are present on the surface, which increases the speed of calcium deposition and also cause an increase in the bone density, thereby stimulating bone healing. The fluoride modified implant surface also shows a better bone to implant contact. So as a whole, experts consider OsseoSpeed surface as the best implant surface in the market. The next feature is the presence of micro threads. So these implant neck are designed with micro thread that offer optimum load distribution and also lower stress values. And another feature, important feature, is inbuilt platform switching. So this design was unique to AstraTech. So this design gave Astra the edge when it came to implant bone level studies. That is, no other implant system could show similar success results. And however, in time, all implant systems have adopted the platform switching design in one form or another. We have discussed about platform switching in our previous session. That is, the use of a abutment platform that is smaller than that of the implant body platform. As a result, the implant abutment junction is shifted inwards. So that is platform switching. Next feature is the conical seal design or the Morse taper. That is, the implant has got an 8-degree taper in the internal implant abutment connection, and this connection helps to transfer the stresses deeper down in the bone, and it also helps in sealing of the interior of the implant from surrounding tissues, thereby minimizing micro movements and micro leakage. And it also reduces peak stress and prevents the marginal bone loss. So clinically, this produces less complications and chances for screw loosening, and the company claims that by virtue of this design, a control X-ray is not required to verify the abutment fit. So this is the conical seal design feature that is providing a strong and stable fit. Next feature is a Tioblast surface, that is using titanium particles to grit blast the surface, which leads to fewer impurities and better osseo integration. And finally, the OsseoSpeed TX, that is tapered apex. TX stands for tapered apex. So the tapered apex design is suitable for sloped ridges and limited bone height, and it has also got a sloped neck design. So this helps in preserving the bone around the implant. So these are the features of AstraTech. So they were OsseoSpeed surface, micro threads, and inbuilt platform switching, conical seal design, Tioblast surface, and OsseoSpeed tapered apex. Next, let's discuss the design highlights of Straumann Manufacturing Company. So the first one is SLA Active Implant. That is, SLA stands for Sandblasted Large Grit Acid Etched Implant Surface. That means the surface is first sandblasted, then grit blasted, followed by acid etching with sulfuric acid. And then they are rinsed under nitrogen protection to prevent exposure to air, and then stored in sealed glass tube containing isotonic sodium chloride solution. So this procedure leads to a hydrated surface, that is a hydrophilic surface, and also helps in protein adsorption, thereby improving the osteoblastic activity. So the company claims that it has got a complete osseointegration achievement in 6 to 8 weeks instead of 12 weeks. So this is SLA Active Implant. Next one is a Straumann Roxolid implant, which is made from a homogeneous metallic alloy of 85% titanium and 15% zirconium. And the company claims that this is stronger than pure titanium and also can be used in narrow ridges. And the combination of Roxolid and SLA Active provides high strength with excellent osseointegration. The next one to discuss is the BioHorizons Manufacturing Company, which has introduced laser lock surface technology. That is a new manufacturing process which claims to produce consistent result for increasing the surface area. So what are these laser lock technology? So this consists of laser lock micro channels, that is a series of cell-sized circumferential channels that are precisely created using laser ablation technology on implant as well as abutment. And these channels are optimally sized to attach and organize both the osteoblast and fibroblast. And these repeating nanostructure maximizes the surface area, and it is said to enable the cell pseudopodia and collagen microfibrils to interdigitate within the laser lock surface. And it has been reported that there is 0.1 mm of bone gain with this technology. Coming to the advantages of laser lock technology, as you can see in the figure, the laser lock technology inhibits epithelial downgrowth that is seen on traditional surface, and it also favors connective tissue attachment, and it also produces a biologic seal around the implant that protects and maintains the crestal bone. And this is more effective than other designs in reducing bone loss. That is, reports say that this reduces bone loss by 70%. So laser lock is the only surface treatment shown to attract a true physical connective tissue attachment. So this is the laser lock surface technology by BioHorizons. So we have discussed the major design highlights of some of the popular manufacturing companies worldwide. Coming to conclusion, advancement in implant design and techniques continue to emerge from research, manufacturing and design advancement and clinical practices worldwide. So we have discussed only a few of these developments and benefits in our sessions. And as the digital workflows, manufacturer innovations and procedural developments continue to unfold, clinicians will be able to more effectively and efficiently address patient needs through implantology. So these are my references I have used for this topic. So thank you all for watching this session. Please do like and share my videos if you are finding them useful, and if you are new to this channel ProstoHub, please do subscribe and show your support. And if you have any queries or suggestions, you can mail me at this mail ID or you can comment below the video. So thank you all once again, and we'll meet with a new topic in our next session.